Alright, so this is a very simple project which I developed in my free time. It took me a good 20 minutes just to make this. Not including placing all this stuff. Like it's not inclusive of placing all this stuff. Those take slightly longer. So this is basically a simulation of the Fortnite building physics where your builds must be tiered to either a fucking the ground or a specific surface. So I'm gonna call those ground/surface support. Which when I click on this, it says it's a support. So I call them ground, and they're green in color, and these purple or pinkish blocks, they represent buildings. So I'm gonna launch this, I'm gonna run this. As you can see, there's nothing is happening yet. So I'm gonna actually simulate. So this is what happens. So as long as this structure is somehow connected to just one, as long as it's connected to the green part, it's not gonna get destroyed. So let's prove that.
Who are the Mythbusters?
So if I break this, this is still intact because these two, they are still connected until I delete this and they get destroyed. I would also like to mention that these stuff, they have to be connected directly to either of the 6 faces. Faces are the flat region. You cannot connect them diagonally, it wouldn't work. Let me just prove it to you. Alright, so I'm gonna play. Okay, and as you can see, I'm gonna actually disconnect like we did early on. I'm gonna disconnect this, I'm gonna disconnect this. It's still working, but if I delete this, you see these two are connected diagonally, but that wouldn't work. It's not supposed to work. So if I delete this, all these stuff, they get destroyed because diagonal connections, they don't work. They have to be directly connected to the faces. Let me just test it just to make sure. I got this time around. I'm gonna actually disconnect this too, and I'm gonna disconnect this one so that they are connected diagonally. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna prove my point. If I delete this, it will still work. I mean, this will get disconnected because they are not directly connected, and then if I disconnect this gets destroyed. So that's about it. If you like to see any other cool stuff, or would you like to see me attempt at making other, whatever you want, just comment down in the comment section and I will try to do it if I have time. That's it. Goodbye.
Peace.
Ya tú sabes, baby.